What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for hotels or filter hotels on booking.com that has free cancellation. So once you're on booking, let's go ahead and use a random search. I'm going to just quickly make a search here, and once you search you'll have all of the results. But to check hotels that has the free cancellation, you want to look towards the left hand side, scroll down, and you will find under the popular, let's say, filters, you'll find free cancellation. So you can simply click on that to kind of filter all of those hotels that has a free cancellation. And as you can see, these are the results. So if you go ahead and open up any one of those hotels, you should see where it mentioned that it has free cancellation as well. So in order to verify what actually has free cancellation on all of those hotel web pages, you want to of course do the filter as I showed you before, and then you want to scroll down under the pages where it shows the rooms and so forth. So once you find on the availability section here, you can choose those rooms and you will be able to see where it says few cancellation under your choices. So you'll have the rooms, you have the prices, and it will show free cancellation check, and it shows you the timer until when you have the free cancellation. So you'll be able to see which one has it. So if it doesn't have it, you will see it basically shows that there is none. If it has it, it will show you that it has it. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple. That's how you basically find hotels that has free cancellation on booking.com.